Open the glove box.
Remove the damper arm. Push in on the two tabs at the top to lower the glove box. Push outward on the tabs while pulling from the top to release each side.
Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reclip the housing door. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops.
Reinstall the damper arm.
Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.